So, how do we transfer files from your PC to your iPhone using iTunes? It's actually simple. First, download and open iTunes on your PC. It's completely free. Just get it from the official Apple site or Microsoft Store. Next, on your iPhone, go to the App Store and download Google Chrome if you don't have it yet. I already have it installed, but this is the app we'll use to move files. Now, connect your iPhone to your PC using a Type C Lightning cable. Once you plug it in, your phone will ask you to trust this computer. Just tap trust and enter your passcode. After that, look at iTunes on your PC. You should now see a small iPhone icon on the top left side. Click that. Inside, go to the file sharing, then select Chrome from the list of apps. Now, click Add File, and this is where you upload whatever files you want. Once added, make sure everything syncs. Now, switch back to your iPhone. Open the Files app, tap Browse or Navigation, then go to On My iPhone and open the Chrome folder. And that's it. Your files should be right there. That's the easiest way to move files from your PC to your iPhone using iTunes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.